What if I told you some of the most dangerous personal defense weapons don't use bullets, shells, or gunpowder at all? Today, we're counting down 20 lethal-level weapons you can legally buy on Amazon that rely on electricity, pressure, blades, or pure mechanical force. Watch till the end. You might be shocked by what's still available. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Number 13. Gamo Swarm Fusion. Designed to deliver serious performance without relying on gunpowder, the Gamo Swarm Fusion 10X GEN3I .22 caliber air rifle offers a powerful and refined shooting experience. It fires pellets at speeds up to 1,000 FPS and features the 10X GEN3, an inertia-fed magazine for fast, seamless follow-up shots. The IGT gas piston provides smoother power with less vibration, while Whisper Fusion technology significantly reduces noise. Finished with an adjustable CAT trigger and recoil-reducing rail, it's ideal for precision shooting and pest control. Number 12. Umarex Hammer. The Umarex Hammer carbine .50 caliber PCP air rifle delivers extreme power in a compact, lightweight design. Shorter and lighter than the full-size Hammer, it features a 35 cubic inch air tank that provides 4 regulated, full-power shots per fill. Firing massive pellets at up to 960 feet per second, it generates over 500 foot-pounds of energy, rivaling traditional firearms without using gunpowder. Built for serious airgun enthusiasts, it's engineered for raw performance, precision shooting, and controlled power in demanding, legal air rifle applications. Number 11. Sig Sauer P365 4.5mm. The Sig Sauer P365 4.5mm CO2-powered B air pistol is a realistic, semi-automatic airgun modeled after the popular P365 9mm handgun. Powered by a 12-gram CO2 cartridge, it features a 20-round BB magazine, metal blowback slide, and authentic controls for realistic handling. Firing steel BBS at up to 300 FPS, it's designed for safe training, skill practice, and target shooting. With high visibility 3-dot sights and a compact frame, it's ideal for controlled practice without traditional ammunition. Number 10. Umarex Origin PCP .22. Engineered for shooters who demand consistent power without gunpowder, the Umarex Origin PCP .22 caliber air rifle delivers reliable, high-level performance. It launches .22 caliber pellets at speeds up to 1,000 FPS using its patented ever-pressure tank system for steady velocity. A smooth side-cocking lever, 10-shot magazine, and optics-ready rail enhance control and accuracy. Paired with the included HPA hand pump, this rifle is well-suited for target practice, pest control, and experienced airgun users. Number 9. Repeating Adder Crossbow. The EK Archery Repeating Adder Crossbow is a powerful, modern crossbow designed for speed, efficiency, and repeated firing without gunpowder. Featuring a 130-pound draw weight and an innovative 5-shot autoloading magazine, it fires bolts at up to 230 feet per second, allowing rapid follow-up shots. Built with durable fiberglass limbs and an aluminum frame, it includes 15 carbon bolts, red dot sight, Picatinny rails, and ergonomic foregrip. Ideal for target shooting, bushcraft, small game hunting, and serious survival enthusiasts. Number 8. P2 PhD P50 Prepared. Designed as a powerful alternative to firearms, the P2P HD P50 Prepared 2 Protect .50 caliber Pepper air pistol delivers reliable, less lethal defense using CO2 power. It fires pepper rounds, rubber balls, or powder balls for both protection and training flexibility. With a 6-round capacity, quick CO2 activation, and stress-friendly operation, it's built for fast response. The durable polymer frame and metal barrel make it well-suited for home defense and safety-conscious users. Number 7. Air Pistol Timber. The Hatsan ATP 2QE TACT PCP Air Pistol .22. Cal Timber is a powerful pre-charged pneumatic air pistol built for precision and quiet performance without gunpowder. Firing pellets up to 900 FPS, it delivers up to 20 FPE of energy with consistent accuracy. The quiet energy-shrouded barrel reduces noise by around 50%, while the smooth side lever action and adjustable quattro trigger enhanced control. With detachable magazines, removable air cylinder, and included pellets and targets, it's ideal for target shooting and advanced airgun enthusiasts. Number 6. Lancer Tactical Gen. Designed for intense close-quarters combat, the Lancer Tactical Gen 2 new 9mm Battle X CQB AEG delivers reliable electric performance in a compact, lightweight platform. Its 9mm style billet receiver and 4-pound build make it highly maneuverable in tight environments. An adjustable PDW collapsible stock and quick-change spring system allow easy tuning for indoor or outdoor FPS limits. The top 20mm Picatinny rail supports optics and accessories, while the massive 1,400-round E-drum magazine provides continuous firepower for competitive airsoft gameplay. Number 5. Stuger X M1 PCP Bullshark. Built for shooters who value precision and customization, the Stuger X M1 PCP Bullshark .177 caliber air rifle delivers powerful, consistent performance without relying on gunpowder. Its PCP action ensures smooth, accurate shots, especially when paired with premium pellets. The adjustable cheek pieces and buttstock spacers allow a personalized fit, while the detachable vertical front grip improves stability and control. With integrated Picatinny rails for optics and accessories and dual rotary magazines included, the XM1 Bullshark is an excellent choice for target practice and serious airgun users. Number 4. CO2 Aerogun. Breaking away from traditional firearms, the Umarex Air Javelin CO2 Aerogun air rifle uses CO2 power to launch carbon fiber arrows with surprising force and accuracy. An 88-gram CO2 cartridge provides up to 27 effective shots per fill, sending arrows downrange at speeds up to 300 FPS with strong kinetic energy. Built with an all-weather stock, rubber recoil pad, and Picatinny rails for accessories, it offers comfort and customization. Supplied with 3 straight flight technology arrows, the Air Javelin is perfect for target practice, backyard shooting, and modern archery fans. Number 3. Umarex T4E Walther PPQ.43. Designed as a realistic gunpowder-free training solution, the Umarex T4E Walther PPQ.43 caliber training pistol delivers authentic handling without live ammunition. Powered by CO2, it fires .43 caliber paint, powder, or rubber balls at speeds up to 355 FPS, making it ideal for force-on-force training and home practice. Its metal slide and barrel replicate the weight and controls of the real PPQ, including a functional slide catch and drop-free magazine. Featuring adjustable sights, a Picatinny rail, and duty holster compatibility, it's perfect for training, simulation, and less lethal practice scenarios. Number 2. T4E TR50 Gen 2 Revolver. Built for powerful, gunpowder-free training and home defense scenarios, the T4E TR50 Gen 2.50 caliber revolver delivers serious impact without live ammunition. This CO2-powered marker fires .50 caliber paintballs or rubber balls from a realistic 6-round rotary magazine, making it ideal for force-on-force training and less lethal protection. The quick-piercing CO2 system allows fast setup under pressure, while the all-metal construction adds durability and authentic weight. Integrated Picatinny rails support lights or lasers, enhancing control and readiness for defensive training situations. Number 1. Glock 19X Gen 5.177. The Glock 19X Gen 5.177 caliber B air pistol delivers realistic training performance in a CO2-powered, gunpowder-free platform. Featuring a full metal slide with authentic blowback action, this semi-automatic BB pistol closely replicates the feel and handling of the original Glock 19X. An 18-round drop-free magazine supports smooth reloads, making it ideal for target practice, skill training, and Glock enthusiasts seeking realism without live ammunition. So there you have it. 13 powerful, non-gunpowder weapons that prove stopping power doesn't always come from bullets. If you found this list eye-opening, hit like, subscribe for more tech and defense content, and check the description for all product links.